Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to enable microphone in Windows 11. So if you're looking to use your microphone in, for example, some kind of connection apps like Viber or WhatsApp and you want to talk to people, make calls, this is pretty easy guys. So to start, just open up your Windows settings. I'm already here, and after that just navigate to System and then to the very second tab from the top, which is Sound. And in here guys, under Input, you're searching for your microphone. So in order to turn it on, just choose your microphone that you're using. Maybe you have multiple, and then just make sure to set the volume. So as you can see, as I speak, that little blue line is increasing. So that means that my microphone is receiving input and works as intended. Also, you can go to more sound settings, and in here you go to recording. And in microphone, as you can see, I have multiple. You just make sure that you're turning it on. So this is just my web camera microphone that I've just disabled. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. So that's pretty much the two ways of enabling your microphone. If this helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such tutorials. See you soon.